You're working hard to build your legacy, but have you stopped to wonder what would happen to your digital assets if something were to happen to you? It's a chilling thought, but deserves your attention. Because your loved ones may not know where to look or what to look for. And relying on untrustworthy solutions, like passwords written on a piece of paper, a USB stick, or someone you might trust, is outdated, inflexible, expensive, and can be risky. Presenting Ostreon Inheritance, the only platform designed by leading cybersecurity experts. It's simple. List your assets, assign them to your beneficiaries, and voila! Then all you have to do is approve notifications. Rest assured your assets' data is anonymously stored and encrypted so that only you can access it. If unforeseen events were to occur, your missed notifications would trigger Ostreon Inheritance, and your assets will be automatically passed on to your beneficiaries. Ensure your loved ones will inherit your assets with Ostreon Inheritance.